This conference will
All right.
now be recorded.
Good morning, all. It's 9:23, so we're going to be a little quick. Uh, Here's the econ calendar. Yesterday was off, even though we showed up early. And then somebody else woke me up at 9:30 saying, "Are you okay?" Today is Tuesday. We have nothing going on. Tomorrow we're going to have Red Book and housing market. Remember, tomorrow is inauguration day, so it's going to be light on the schedule. And then we have housing starts, jobless claims, and Philly Fed. I don't see anything else. Nobody else is talking. No. And then EIA and both EIAs are on Friday. Existing home sales and PMI composite. I'm not sure about PMI but that much is important. But I would watch the existing homes. And remember, on Thursday we also have housing starts. Those 2 days are going to be important. Okay. I think the biggest number this week is going to be jobless claim. Last week was huge. Let's see. I heard it was over a mil. No, close to. Okay, 965 a mil. Okay, not over a mil, but a mil. Okay. Let's go quickly to PMT. Of course, we're going to do a PMT tomorrow night. I moved the schedule for last night of PMT tomorrow night because once I forgot it was MLK birthday. We went long last night. Someone just wrote to me who's new at this and said, "You're going long now, it's 30 handles." Obviously, they don't understand how TD works. It's not based on futures, it's based on last cash close. So I'll explain that to him. I just told him in a rash way. I said, just easy seller. Come to the meeting, sit down, take some notes, learn. I left him at that. So anyhow, we bounced off of here. That was my reason to get long there. I still think we have a little shake to the downside rating for us, but he's a perennial. This guy's a perennial bear, so perma bear, I should say. So that's why he was surprised to see a long here. But there was a 2 days. These two chunks. You take those two chunks out, you need to monetize it. So, all right. Let's see. No big signals there. We came to 6.7 on Momo. We're at 1 sigma at SP1. Really quickly, SQ is ticking down. This also telling us we don't have a push down right now. I think the market is going to give the new administration a chance here. It can't get worse than this. The stack, the number of problems we have are stacked against them. So, and but they're putting a very good team together. Head of Office of Science and Technology at the White House is Eric Lander, a good friend from Victor Algebra days, and he was a key person behind the Human Genome Project. Very, very uber bright guy. He won the Westinghouse Prize. Just a delightful person. Very, very impressed by that. We got to go back to data and science, and we got to clean up this act. Enough chaos. Enough chaos. Enough putting second tier, third tier wannabes in charge of areas way above their head. Here's your TD. We may have had our what do you call it? Our rendezvous point with the stock RSI. We got a reading of a little bit below the midpoint on SP2 and so on and so forth. I got to work on this. We have rolled this over though. Let me make sure we're on the right roll there. I'm talking about the spread on. We're looking at we're looking at January. Nope. This is no good, Jack. Hold on. We gotta push this up. It's gone. Yeah, it's history. 20th. Yeah. It's gotta go. Yeah. So this becomes G. Yeah, I think I said in the last webinar for this. And then, hi Keith, how are you, sir? And J becomes K, which is May. Oops. My finger hit on here. So you want to keep that spread running. 1 second. I'm sorry. Yeah, there we go. All right, now this is the correct amount. So 1.2. Okay, let's save that. All right. 1.2. Yeah, when it hits zero, um, yeah, when it's zero, you're yeah. We did not. That's the low. We went even further down below and then coming back. Remember, we're in a different territory here in terms of regime. These values. So yeah, you could see G is leaked now. Yeah, there we go. Take this out. Boom. All right. And that's XJK. That's a nice car. No, I'm just it's a BXI. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay. Yeah, this is we're long theoretically we're long G, short K, put together 1.2 here. All right. All right. Let me save this before I move forward. All right. What else? Okay, let's go to back to here. Let's give it a okay. No signal, absolute no signal here. Why? Too noisy, too much close to each other, no change. It just we shot up very hard and now it's just easing off a tad. Even though we're down ticking here. I think we're gonna see an up move this week. Overnight, here's what we did overnight. Hold on. Here's what we did overnight. Up 28 and 100. So I look at usually percentages anyway, about 0.7, 0.8. These are opening up. We had a very tight day yesterday and was partial day. Okay. And what else I want to show you over there? Here's the Excel. Here's the total Excel if you want to take a look at it. There you go. This is the 21. Yeah, that's where we are now. Okay. With that, we're going to close this recording and